Bullish Jasmy coin cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 3 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept JASMY could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Jasmy coin presentation. Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Web of Things gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the non-exclusive construction of a market, the digital money market continues developing and spreading out while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. Notwithstanding, with this constant advancement and development, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin. Jasmy stage fills in as an information security convention that places information a majority rules system at a high worth and plans to go about as a delegate for the protected trade of information and resources through their confidential individual information storage spaces. This guarantees that information isn't effortlessly gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in concentrated frameworks, which help information examination and cornered gauges. In this article, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin. Will the past cost presentation make it a wise speculation for the following bull run? Will it hit all-time again after this demise winding? And what's the cost figure for Jasmy before long? What is Jasmy coin? Jasmy coin is an Ethereum-based coin and local badge of the JASMY stage, a Japanese organization that Kunitake Ando made to interface more web gadgets, subsequently developing the customary method of abundance move as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the hell. This symbolic serves an enormous scope of issues and purposes. Jasmy can likewise be applied to our everyday exercises like program driving, dispatch administrations, and in any event, shopping. For example, SiloCentrepay, a SenseNet blockchain installment stage created, got, and coordinated by Jasmy, can be utilized at candy machines. This large number of utilizations referenced above show that the utilization instance of JASMY both on-chain and in reality is areas of strength for the interest in the token won't disappear yet rather increment over the long haul. It's a decent coin to purchase for a wise venture portfolio, be that as it may. This isn't monetary exhortation as you're encouraged to investigate as needs be. Jasmy coin is as of now worth $0. JASMY has moved 16.89% as of now with an exchanging volume of $193,475,743. Jasmy coin is as of now positioned 128 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $218,724,230 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling to similarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Jasmy coin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Jasmy coin market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Jasmy coin value expectation 2023 Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The JASMY cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, however it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. JASMY is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Jasmy coin value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Jasmy coin JASMY cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of JASMY will before long outperform 1 cent. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the JASMY's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, JASMY will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Jasmy coin value forecast 2025 assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 1 cent and JASMY might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. JASMY is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2025. Jasmy coin value expectation 2026 assuming that Jasmy coin effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money devotees. The JASMY coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, JASMY will be green in 2026. The JASMY is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Jasmy coin value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the JASMY cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 2 cents by 2027. With a base cost of 2 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, JASMY has a most extreme value worth of 2 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 2 cents. On the off chance that JASMY figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 2 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help JASMY needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 2 cents. Jasmy coin value forecast 2029. While JASMY is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 3 cents and a yearly cost close above 3 cents in 2029. Jasmy coin value forecast 2030. By 2030, Jasmy coin will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 3 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 3 cents, averaging out at 3 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest JASMY cost in 2031 is projected to be 4 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 4 cents. What is the Jasmy coin cost today? Today, Jasmy coin is exchanging at $0 an all-out market capitalization of $218,724,230. Is Jasmy coin a wise venture? Jasmy coin ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is savvy to say that JASMY is a decent decision of venture. How high might Jasmy coin at any point go? The typical cost of Jasmy coin might potentially reach $0 a year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Jasmy coin might outperform 2 cents. What amount will Jasmy coin be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising prominence of digital currency and Jasmy coin, a drawn-out interest in JASMY could see the value ascend to 2 cents inside the following 5 years. What amount will Jasmy coin be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into Jasmy coin today, likewise with any venture, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of JASMY might actually ascend to 5 cents inside the following 10 years. What will the Jasmy coin cost be in 2024? Jasmy coin cost is supposed to reach 1 cent by 2024. What will the Jasmy coin cost be in 2025? Jasmy coin cost is supposed to reach 1 cent by 2025. What will the Jasmy coin cost be in 2026?